and I'm thinking of taking graphic design.
Madison Scudamore in practical nursing.
I'm Nate Johnson, and I'm thinking about taking the communications engineering technician one. Well, with sensors and stuff.
I'm Zach McCaskey, and I'm taking the computer security and investigation program.
My name is Ben, and I'm thinking about taking occupational physiotherapy.
Developmental service worker program. My name is Kayla, and I'm thinking about taking graphic design.
I'm thinking about taking the trades fundamentals program.
My name is Shantoy Grant. In Child and Youth Worker, I think it's an amazing school.
The sporting goods program.
Hello, my name is Theo, and when I grow up, I want to be a chef. Go to Fleming College!